Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, una sister, una friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. Thank you and God bless you. I want to talk about our men. Some of our men will be saying that they lose to go Africa, go to marry. Now, I want to really talk to today. It's not really good. Not be after you don't vandalize the girl finish, you don't finish and you don't carry, you don't sweet all the sweetness with their body. You don't finish and you can't go Africa, you go marry. If not your sister, if they don't to you, you go like her. It's not good. If you know, say you know a married woman, I beg, not just use that play at all. Not just use that play. If you just say the thing is not leading to anywhere, just let her know all time so that she will also pack her load then. She will also go. Don't be say after you don't finish and you don't vandalize and you don't kaput am. Who you call kaput am with? You can't go Africa, go marry graduate. My dear people, if you know, say you know a married woman, not use that play. You see that Africa where you want to go marry, you know say whether they don't vandalize and whether they don't finish am, or because you're not graduate you want to go marry, and you not be graduate oh. If you now make if you not come bring the come finish the girl now come see say you not even want him to even marry himself, he go boof you. You understand? So more than not they do all those things to our women again. We need love. If you don't say not go marry a woman, I better not use that play. Not even date. Go Africa, just go continue for there. Not just date anyone for you. Me you don't finish and finish. Somebody that born am too. You understand? And some of our women, we on for they get her wrong too. If they follow man, 2-3 months. You're supposed to ask him, are you going to marry me or not? If you know you are not going to marry me, my dear, though, make yourself a worker. You never need to reach one year or 6 months safe. 6 months even too far for me. Let her know, are you going to marry me or not? Now, we women, they take decision now. You take decision for yourself. See what I want. Especially women with double. You don't have to pay me pass. You don't have born one. At least second mistake not good to every year for a year again nah. Second mistake, it's not just good again at all. At least first one that mistake, second one you correct them. Make sure say you correct them. Make sure say the man who marry you go put money for your head. He go marry you like the way we marry so. He go marry you. You go not say yes. You dey husband house. You get like full courage like the way we get them so. You understand? You go feel the talk for where your people for talk. Not be saying you still go carry belly again, say come one again, only you want go they suffer, they go they push the bag like person where they say keep load the load too heavy for you. They go say no, you don't go ever keep them. You want to carry big load, they go. You understand? So my gallant people, my gallant ladies, they know una self. I beg. The gallant ladies will know what in day. They're not going ever for those kind of thing now. Not be woman just say that same month to just begin the bombo for men they go like that. It's not good. Make sure say that man marry you. Make sure say you go do the right thing before you go able to take up say you want carry belly for her. You understand me, my people? So and our men where they always go Nigeria go they marry at. When I listen to this video, I beg. When they disappoint our women again, they need love too, eh? They need them. So now they go Africa, go they marry for a year. Let Africa they marry themselves there. Maybe they marry ourselves for a year because we understand each other. We know waiting day for a year. You understand me? So thank you everybody. Our hookup is still there, and if you need a responsible woman, responsible man, don't make sure say you call me, add me on WhatsApp. My number is there. Add me on WhatsApp and called me. So thank you everybody and God bless you. Subscribe for my YouTube. Continue to subscribe and continue to share my video and like my video please. Thank you everybody and take care. Bye.